Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Gardening, and today I'm in beautiful Kerala, and you can look at the sights and the sounds. A lot of banana plantation, and we're visiting a friend today, so let's see who that is. Hey, hi Ronald.
Hey, welcome to my home in Kerala. Please come in.
So this is Trivandrum, and this is Reynolds' home as well. So he has a small garden that his father has set up. So we'll just have a quick tour of it. So it's mostly in pots. So let's see.
Hi, this is my father, Mr. Devaraj. So he maintains the garden.
Hi, uncle.
The thing is, they had like a farmland kind of thing when he grew up, and then they had tamarind, they had coconuts, they had rubber. They also had like a lot of vegetables that they grew in the farm that they had. So he kind of grew up like doing all that, and then he was sort of missing it when we were living in Chennai. So then, like after the retirement and everything, so we just wanted to kind of move back here and kind of set up his like own garden and take care of the plants. So that's how we started it small. Thanks to you for suggesting all those
Plants.
plants to begin with. So they've grown really well, and he also kind of topped up, added a lot of new plants to the collection, and you can just like kind of show the viewers.
Yeah. So we look at the garden.
Sure.
Okay, uncle.
Yeah.
So this is dumb cane, I think, right? So again, all the pots are neatly arranged, and he also manages to buy all these things from Amazon, and then I think he has some gardener as well, so he comes and he helps set all this up. So he's neatly arranged this. So this is the hibiscus. It's blooming now, and there's one more, and then rose, and this is Gomfrena. It's grown so big. It's called Vadar Malli. Vadar Malli in Malayalam. This is adenium. So it's yet to bloom, I think. There was flower, uncle, in this? Okay. And then you have the bougainvillea. It's not bloomed now. Then you have the hibiscus. It's a beautiful color, you see. And this is like a Christmas tree for them. This is the golden cypress, and it's grown really tall. And look at the container size. So it's big enough, and it's grown this height. It's beautiful. And then the statement feature are these areca palms, right?
Yeah.
So I think you got this from Salem.
No, it's
not this.
That is from
That is from Salem. Okay.
This is from Trivandrum only.
This is from Trivandrum. It's grown so big.
Yeah, it's been 2 years, and look how big they've grown.
Yeah. I think everybody who comes here appreciates this, right?
Exactly.
So let's go there.
Yeah, sure. This is holy basil.
Tulsi, right?
Tulsi. This is the same. And this is jasmine. For some reason, this has not been giving flowers. Probably it's not the season, not sure. So these are the same.
Yeah, it's not the season. Summertime is like when they'll bloom.
Then these are the areca palms that we got from Salem.
Yeah.
2 years back, and they've started growing. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I think there's a lot of those insects as well,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
So I have suggested him the neem oil pesticide, and you can see the sheen over here. So he's applying that neem oil concoction for 3 days in a week. And I think there's a marked difference now. He's not seeing much of it. The Heliconia cytocorum also had some bugs. That is also gone now. So I'll show you the concoction as well. So he's using the neem oil pesticide that I made. So he's diluted it in water, and then he's spraying it. So always spray it under the leaves, like what he's doing, and then over the leaves as well, into the soil as well. So this is how you must ensure that these pests don't come. And this is very natural, right, uncle? Natural. So it does not affect your health, right? So he was actually using a chemical pesticide. So this is a chemical pesticide, and this was giving you allergy in the eyes, right? So it's not good. So we shifted to natural neem oil pesticide. Just that this, if you apply instant results, you will get. This you'll have to apply at least consistently, like 3 times a day. Sorry, 3 times in a week, and that will go. Thank you, uncle. Thank you. So this is the amaryllis plant. These are certain names that I don't remember, but I'll write it down. This is again an ornamental. I think it blooms also. Idla blooms varuma. Idu flower varuma. Okay. This is peace lily. Some ixora. This you were asking me what this is, right? So this is some kind of a fungal infection.
Okay, so would neem oil cure this?
Yeah, neem oil would cure this, so that's fine. This is the philodendron burl max. This is Dracaena again.
Dracaena. Yeah.
So colorful spotted leaves, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. Then this is panicurca or oregano.
Panicurca.
Mexican.
So this will cure cold and all.
Yeah.
Okay. This is rose. And this is another ornamental. This is rose.
This is Dracaena again, right?
See, he's worried about these mealybugs. So that's what. The only thing is you have to use it
Neem oil.
thrice a week, and that will be fine. This is euphorbia again. It's a different kind of a euphorbia without the thorns. And this is something that I've seen only in Kerala. I have not seen this in Bangalore as yet. So this does not have those thorns, but the blooms are the same. So this is a fascinating plant I've seen recently.
This is lipstick.
This is, yeah,
Lipstick.
Aglonema. It's called lipstick plant here in local parlance. And then this is the Dracaena plant. So this is this you just keep all the sand and mud there. Compost, you put compost and all that. This is Aglonema. This is what is happening to this, uncle? Not blooming, right? Okay.
It's very recent.
Okay.
Very recent. Within 2 weeks.
This is hibiscus, huh?
Hibiscus, yeah.
This is
Yes, it is
hibiscus. Yeah, some kind of a native hibiscus, I think.
Red big bloom it gives.
Kerala hibiscus, I think. Yeah.
Curry leaves.
Then we have curry leaves. Crepe jasmine.
Crepe jasmine.
Smell won't be there, no?
No.
No smell. Paneer rose. This is a beautiful. This one. These are chilies, right?
Chilies, yeah.
Wow. Kandari.
Kandari, yeah.
A lot of Kandari
Native of
chilies.
Kerala, no?
So this is a famous chili in Kerala. It's quite spicy as well, no? Yeah. And then they have also grown a banana plant. So they don't want the banana, but they want the banana leaf. So they've grown it in such a big container. See, look at the height it's reached. So as and when it grows, they cut it down and then it regrows. This is cardamom.
Pepper.
Pepper. Sorry. This is pepper.
This is pepper.
So pepper, he has to let it climb.
Yeah, it climbs like it's searching
climbs,
for
right?
support. Yeah, it's just
It will grow well. So this is pepper. This is their well. So every Kerala home, every Kerala home will have a well. This is money plant.
Yeah, money plant.
This is money plant. Then they have heliconia. This is a different color. This is that salmon orange color. This is cordyline. Part of the Dracaena family. Same. There's a spider here. The spider.
Oh yeah.
The spider.
They're very common.
And this is a yellow color flower.
Mulla,
White, mulla.
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 No, this is
It's actually mulla from here.
Oh, is it? It's some kind of a jasmine. I don't know what this is. This is I think
Nandiavatam. No.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ
yellow poo dana.
ಇನ್ನು ಪೂಕಲ್ಲ.
Okay, this is that alamander I think.
Okay.
Mostly alamander. This looks like the alamander.
Is that insulin?
This is ginger plant.
பூத்தது இது பூக்கும்.
This is ginger plant or butterfly lily. I'm confused. This looks like the smell varuma idla.
நல்ல ஸ்மெல் வரும்.
Or white color.
White color.
White color
So
flower. Very
butterfly
very
lily.
nice fragrance.
Butterfly lily.
இது வந்து இது இன்சுலின் பிளான்ட்.
Insulin plant they call it over here.
Chew the leaves.
You can chew the leaves and they say it is good for sugar patients.
இது இது ஜாஸ்மின்.
This is jasmine again. It's sprouted new leaves. Then this is just an ornamental.
Something like Dracaena.
Yeah, no, this is just an ornamental plant, like a grass. I'll just add the names. This is called Nandiyar Vattam here,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
It also grows like a gardenia, but it does not smell as much. This is again
The yellow tube-like flowers.
trumpet plant.
Trumpet, yeah. Oh, look at
So
the
again-
bugs again.
He's bothered about these things. This is hydrangea,
பெரிய கொத்து கொத்து கொத்து
Yes.
Clusters. Yeah.
that big hydrangea. Then again, he has a money plant there. So that's it.
That's very much it.
We've covered most of the garden. It's a small garden.
This is the bloom actually. Not sure.
This looks like a plumbago. Not sure. Yeah, this. Oh, it has these kind of thing, and then there's this
Stack.
one. So
Yeah.
yeah, so different varieties of plants, even the name of which I don't know. But yeah, it's a beautiful garden nonetheless. A small garden in a very small space. You just need the passion to do it, and everything will fall in place. You use well water, right?
Yes. Yes.
Mostly. Okay. And nothing. So the gardener comes once in a month.
Yeah, kind of once in a
Once
month
in a
or once
month.
in 2 months, and then
He
sets
puts
things up.
compost and things like that. Okay, thank you for showing us your garden. This is just a small video. I just wanted to thank Mr. Tundan Vilagam as well. So thank you,
Thank
Uncle.
you,
Thank you for allowing us to videograph.
so much.
Our pleasure.
And happy gardening.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You too.
Happy garden.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And as we wound up, I happened to capture a candid moment between Uncle and his plants that drew him instinctively to tend to his plants affected by mealybugs. This shows the purity of love these green companions evoke in all of us who love gardening.
Hey, show us the airport, Renault. So beautiful, no? Back. Look back and keep walking like that. Like this?
Hi Renault, how are you doing?
Hello, I'm doing great. I'm in Kerala today.
No, one second. Cut.
Sorry, so I should just directly introduce him and then
Introduce him and take him here, okay?
Okay.
Uncle, ange irungo. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, start. So this is this you just keep all the sand and mud there. Compost, you put compost and all that. Okay.
What? I can talk about